Truth. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I have some plant mail. Is it my birthday? No, it's not. Is it Christmas? No, it's not. I just have people that are amazing surrounding me, and I love you guys. I got a message from Simply Alicia A. Go check out her YouTube channel because she's hilarious. She's so fun. Her laugh is infectious, and she's just great. She sent me a message and she's like, I got some stuff for you. And I watched your last video about how your husband doesn't get plant mail. Look, it's variegated. It's like the one that's hanging by your head over there. I'm telling my husband. He doesn't get plant mail. Does anybody want to send my husband plant mail? He's jealous.
I'm not jealous.
I was just saying that joking around, but he really doesn't get plant mail. And she sent us both something. So I'm really excited to get into this. Jay would totally be in this video with me if he wasn't in New York. My sister-in-law Sasha just had a baby boy last night, and she's in 7th heaven, and he is perfect. So he flew out there yesterday morning to go be with his family and to visit. I have to work, so I couldn't go. But that's why Jay's not here. I thought about Facetiming him in. All right. Take my address off of there, just in case the box makes it in the clip, you know? Okay, the address is gone. You guys want to see, don't you? I feel like these have been just the videos I've been doing lately, or unboxings, and I'm okay with that. Talk about packaged well, girl. Okay. We're in. I apologize for my face. I just washed it. Zero makeup. Ooh, newspaper. Sale ads. Okay. Oh, that's so cute. It says plant babies inside. I love all the recyclable, I cannot say that word, items in this box, Alicia. What does that say? That says Pothos Pearls and Jade. Has speckles. Ooh, you know what? I don't think I've ever had one of these, actually. Oh my gosh, I haven't. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Ooh, look at that variegation on there. Look at that. Wow. Ooh, it's like a little flower crown. You know, it has aerial roots all along it. So like what I can do when I plant it is I can either have it trailing, or I can just like curl it up, place it in the top of the soil, and then it'll grow from those roots, and it'll kind of make the plant look a little bit more full. Ooh, I know what I'm doing later today. I always worry about leafy plants making it through the mail like that. That held up really well. And you packaged it very well too. Okay. Oh, now this is the one that I'm more familiar with, but I've never had one of these either. A Pothos and Joy with no speckles. So cool. Oh my gosh, girl, you did not have to send me all this stuff. Oh, wow. Oh, this variegation is nuts. Look at that. Holy moly. I'm jealous because I can just picture what plant this came off of, and I bet you it's full and gorgeous. And I think I want to say I saw it in one of your videos. Oh my goodness. Same thing with this. You can plant it like that, or you can let it trail. Ooh, but it's so pretty trailing. I'm not sure which one I like more, to be honest. Can you see the difference? One has speckles, one doesn't. Come on, camera, focus. Focus. Ooh. Okay, paper. We gotta clean as we go. Clean as we go. Makes for no mess. We have one more to open. Okay. We're opening up the little bag of plant babies. Stop it right now. Oh my goodness. Look at this. And how cute is this packaging? I love it. I like open it up and there's like plant babies. Oh, look what this says. To my lazy daughter laying on the couch. Calico hearts, possibly rare, for Mia. Look at that name. What do you say, people? Is it rare? Because she doesn't know. Can you come open it? Want to open it on camera? Come on, I look like this.
Wait, hold on.
She's got to put her hair up. Like mother, like daughter. You know what I'm saying? No, you didn't. You got me my Mr. Krabs. Yay. Yay. Those of you who don't know, I had a Puntia in my yard. Bad idea, put it in the yard. I'm like, hey, it'll be back there, it'll flourish. My squirrels, as soon as it started getting new growth, this little jerk squirrel comes and eats the whole thing. He like demolishes my Puntia, and it looked just like Mr. Krabs. Girl, stop, it's like Christmas. And you could tell they had some flowers on the top. Ripsalis. And I wanted a Ripsalis. I like how you put the regular names on there. Like I'm gonna read that, right? Wait, let's try. Catiora salicornioides. What's so funny? Say hi.
Hello.
I'm gonna open this one. My Ripsalis. Oh, that is so cool. That is so cool. Let me take them out and show the camera. And they're all so tiny. You guys know how I feel about tiny plants. I won't steal your glory. You gotta cover my face because the camera likes my face apparently. Is it focusing? No, it's on your face.
Oh. No, it's on your face.
That is so cool. You know what it almost looks like?
A bear claw?
Bear claw. Yeah.
Except it's not very.
Let me see. Oh, it's very succulent-y. It needs my hand. Look at this one. Nowhere. This is so stinking cool. There we go. Look at that. This is so cool. I don't even know what to say. All right, so the next up is the Selenicer dogtail cactus. Ooh, what is this one? Oh, it has spikies. This is so cool. Look at that. It almost looks like rat tail cactus. Oh, shoot. Don't look at my face, camera. I don't want to drop it. Can you guys see it? Jazzy and Prime. There's two. They legit look like dog's tails. Like how they curve, right? These are big plants. Oh, I'm so excited. Another Ripsalis. Cereoids. You guys know I don't know the names of anything. Like seriously, I don't. So I'm just taking your word for it. She put a question mark on there because she's not 100% sure. I'm not either. So y'all know the drill. If you know the name of this plant, leave it in the comment section. And to all of my new viewers out there or old viewers, if you guys ever want some accurate information, read my comment section. Because I have some dedicated fans that are always calling me out on me misnaming plants. Stores putting wrong labels on plants happened in my last video. Oh, this is cool. Looks like little fingers. Ooh, this is a cool Halloween plant. Look at that. How awesome is that? And we got the last one. Should we FaceTime Jay? Let's channel him in from New York. All right, let's see here. Okay, let's FaceTime Jay. Hi. Uh-oh, it's freezing. Can you see me?
Good now? Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm doing an unboxing video and I thought that I would FaceTime you because look what I just got.
Oh.
Someone sent you plant mail.
That's what's up. Keep it coming.
All right, so I'm gonna open it. Let me figure out how to do this, and I figured I would have you on camera with me. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, we're opening it up. It's a, do you know what this is for starters? Do you know what this plant is?
No.
It's a cactus, and she wrote careful on it. You know that really big one that I have in like the corner of the teak bench?
The one I got you?
No, the other one, the second, the bigger one than that.
Oh.
That,
The one that's like really, really, really green?
yeah, that's like tipping over almost. That's what this is. I think. Yes, that's what this is. Okay, she said to be careful. Oh, I see why. Okay, sorry, I'm trying to show the camera and you. Oh, they're so cute. Look.
Oh, wow. Yeah, wow, 3 of them.
3 of them. Hold on. That one.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. I gotta try to do this. See that, guys? It's cool. And then 2 little babies. Hold on. Oh, and one actually is growing a root already. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
And now that I'm looking at it, this doesn't look like that. So I bet you I mislabeled that one because I think I have the same name on it. Wait. Oh, no, I don't. No, I don't. That's an Eritrea. This is a Lactea. I'm saying that wrong. I'm pretty sure I'm saying that wrong. But anyway, yay, someone sent you your first plant mail.
Yeah.
All right, so when you get home, you got to pot them up, okay?
All right.
How's Sasha?
She's good.
Good.
I'm about to go over there now, take pictures.
Yay! Oh, we got disconnected. Well, that was fun. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy about these plans that I have. You rock, Alicia.
Thank you.
All right, guys, thanks so much again. If you're new to my channel, be sure you hit the
Subscribe button.
You used to be like my #1, like, subscribe, like, yeah. Like this video and hit the bell.
Ding.
And come back for more. Okay, guys. See you in my next one.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.